In this video, we will learn about right shift operator in Java. The right shift operator shifts all of the bits in a value to the right a specified number of times. For example, I will shift the value of 32 to the right by 2 positions in our code. First, I'm going to set the value of variable in x and assign it a value of 32, and then I'm going to use a right shift operator to shift, and that will be x equals to, then we are going to save the value, and then right shift operator, and then to over here the right shift operator will move all of the bits in this value over here to the right by the number of bit position specified over here. So over here it is 2. So when it is shifted to the right, the result value will be 8 in our variable x. I can just print that value. System.out.println, and then print the value of x and run our program, and you can see the value of x, which is 8 now after right shift by 2. And when the value has bits that are shifted off, those bits are lost. This way we can use a right shift operator in Java. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.